Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your boss hands you a massive stock of papers and asks you painstakingly retype all the information into an Excel spreadsheet? Trust me, I have been there too. In this video, I will show you the easiest and the most efficient way to transfer data from physical paper documents to digital Excel sheets. To do this, we will be using two most popular apps. The first is CamScanner and the second is WPS Office. First, open the CamScanner app on your mobile device and scan the document from which you want to extract data. Tap on the camera icon located at the bottom right corner to take a photo of the document. Next, select the area from which you want to extract data. After the selection, use the left rotate icon at the bottom left corner to rotate the paper if needed. Then click on Next. And finally on the tick icon to complete the scanning process. Now open the scanned PDF in WPS Office. To do this, click on Share and select the WPS Office app. Once the PDF opens in WPS Office, click on the three dots located at the top right corner. As you click on it, you will see Convert PDF option. Just click on it. As you click on Convert PDF, you will see different options like PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to Image, etc. All the other options are paid, but PDF to Excel tool is free at the moment. So to convert the scanned PDF file to Excel, just click on PDF to Excel. Now select the source language and click Continue. As you click on Continue, PDF file will start converting into Excel file, and it will only take a few seconds to complete this process. Now you can see that the PDF file has been converted into an Excel format and is ready to be easily edited. To make further modifications, you can share the file with yourself using WhatsApp or any other preferred method and open it on your PC. For example, using WhatsApp web, I download and open the file on my PC. From there, I find and replace any minor mistakes in my data. As you can see, in just a short amount of time, I efficiently transferred the data from physical paper documents to digital Excel sheets. This method can be a lifesaver, especially when you need to recreate an Excel file that was lost or modify data quickly and accurately. By using this method, I completed the assignment that my boss gave to me. And if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.